User experience is the core element of each and every product. Today we'll take a look at how you can bring those tears of joy to your customer. What's going on, guys? This is Val from PitchGround. So you've created your new product or website. You have tested everything to the very last detail, and now you're absolutely sure that the customer's journey will be smooth and engaging. Now, take a step back and imagine you are your customer, and you are seeing that product for the first time, especially when it comes to something complex like marketing automation tools, etc. Your customer may feel lost and frustrated. You just left them before the dashboard full of panels, tabs, settings, and all those bells and whistles. Like, here's your workspace, go click every single tab and button to see how it works. Instead, you may take your dear customer by the hand and walk them through the platform. Here's where you sign up. Here's your settings panel. Well, take a look at that analytics tab. You may find some insights here a bit later. I believe this approach could bring you more gold than the first one. And here comes the good news. PitchGround is launching the lifetime deal for MarbleFlows, a complete, straightforward yet powerful solution for creating best onboarding experience for your customers. MarbleFlows is a tool that helps your customer get familiar with your product without any hassle. You can create your flow from scratch or select one from pre-made templates. So basically what you do is you create a sequence of related pages which are used to show your customer around, educate and navigate users within your product or website. You can fill the pages with different kinds of content such as text fields, images or GIFs, and a background. This way you create a unique customer journey for your users. Pages are fully customizable. You can change the size of the elements, color, alignment, etc. And that's not all. MarbleFlows enables you to create gamified surveys which are highly customizable as well and could bring even more engagement. Once you're done with your flow, it's time to share it. And you have three options here: a link, a widget, or an iframe. A widget icon can be easily customized to match your website or product branding. And of course, you have all the analytics to get some insights into how your flow is performing. So, once your product is ready to launch, take a step back. Step into your customer's shoes and walk once again through your product. Detect potential pitfalls and then create a flow that will help your customer avoid them. Now go to pitchground.com, grab a copy of MarbleFlows and create the best user experience for your audience. That's pretty much it, guys. Let's keep growing, and I'll see you guys in the next video.